Assalamu alaikum and welcome to HR Diaries. Today we are going to talk about the best way to get hired. जनाब अगर आपने hire होना है, you have qualified, you have a degree in hand, you're looking for a job, be prepared. There's really no other secret. I'm sure बहुत सारे लोग बेचते हैं. There are a lot of secrets that they'll sell, the secret ingredient to getting hired. But the bottom line is there is no secret. It's very simple. Hard work, you did your degree, now be prepared. तो उसके लिए एक तो बड़ा अच्छा तरीका है कि towards your final semester, see what additional skills that you have, additional skills in your field that you can acquire. अगर आपके पास skills हैं which make you stand out, you will get hired. कोई भी कंपनी जो है ना वो ये नहीं सोचती कि हमने किसी बंदे को रिजेक्ट कैसे करना है. What companies want is that they want to hire people. क्यों नहीं चाहेंगे? And that's an open question. Um, and I would love if somebody can answer me. कोई कंपनी जिसको बंदों की जरूरत है काम करने के लिए वो क्यों नहीं हायर करेगी? So when you go into a company for an interview, there the recruiting manager or the HR manager or the particular functions manager, they're not sitting over there to think of reasons to reject you. They are there to try to hire you, to try to fill that position that they have, right? अब इसमें होता क्या है? कैंडिडेट चला जाता है वहां पे एंड ही इज नॉट रेडी. उसके दिमाग में क्या है कि जी मैं सूट बूट पहन के जाऊंगा तो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बीइंग रेडी. नहीं भाई, दैट्स नॉट द डेफिनेशन, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. आप तैयार होके क्यों जाते हो? बिकॉज यू वांट टू अपीयर रिस्पॉन्सिबल, यू वांट टू अपीयर एज अ पर्सन हु you know conforms to a certain dressing style, a person who would fit into the organization, etc etc. But उसके बाद क्या होता है? What they're really looking for is आपकी knowledge कैसी है. And one of the things most organizations look at is कि जो आपने पढ़ा है क्या वो आपको आता है? तो वो मेरे भाई बहन बच्चे बच्चियां जो कि सेमेस्टर 1 में जो पढ़ा था तो एंड पे उनको भूल चुका है, तो प्लीज रिवाइज दैट. दूसरी बात, प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर अगर काम किया और बाकी खुद किया है तो ग्रेट, दैट्स एक्सीलेंट. बट जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया, जो लोग ग्रुप के साथ मिल गए एंड देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन वाज रियली टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ मे बी प्रिंटिंग समथिंग आउट और गेटिंग समथिंग बाउंड एंड इस तरह की बात, तो भाई प्लीज पढ़ लो, प्रोजेक्ट को पढ़ लो, समझ लो, उसकी जो टेक्निकलिटीज हैं उनको समझ लो, एटलीस्ट बी एबल टू हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन अबाउट इट. एंड ऑफ द गेम, कंसिस्टेंसी, डोंट गिव अप. अगर एक जगह जॉब नहीं मिली, कहीं और मिल जाएगी. इट्स नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Things will always fall into place. Never, never, never think about giving up. Always understand that there is a certain time in our life when things will happen. और वो जो टाइम है वो हमारी मर्जी से नहीं चलता. As much as I'd like it to, but it doesn't. So don't give up. I've spoken about this in a couple of my previous videos, or I'll say that again. Failure is where you really learn. If you fail, instead of looking at fault from the other person, मैं ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं कह रहा कि किसी और का fault नहीं हो सकता. You could have gone to somebody on his or her bad day and they just rejected you because they didn't like something about you, which may be wrong. Maybe you were a viable candidate. But instead of focusing on that, focus on the fact, what happened, what could I do better. देखो, अगर आप अपनी बेहतरी करोगे, if you make yourself better, it can do you no harm. It's a win-win. You lost something, you try to find out what the problem was or what you could make better. Even if there was no problem, you made it better. You have made yourself better than you were earlier. What more do you want? And see, that's the basic thing. If you keep looking for faults in other people, you will never improve yourself. And if you improve yourself, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, आपको मिल जाएगी. You will get what you want, whether it be a job, whether it be a job in a particular field, whether it be a job in a particular company, whether it be an idea that you want to launch, whether it be a company you want to set up, whatever it is that you want to do. If you are consistent, you keep learning from your mistakes, you'll be successful. And that's 100% tried and tested, no matter how you look at it. मुझे जो इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है ना, वो मोटिवेशन स्टोरीज लगती हैं जहाँ पे पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी very successful, very rich, and they did an extra venture, and that venture really fired up, and then they're like, oh, मैंने तो ये venture शुरू किया, and look at it, amazing, I'm very successful. So please, when you look at or study these motivational stories, when you look at successes, go beyond the, beyond the appearance, go beyond that, look beyond that, study the person, and always extract something good. Somebody once said, okay, any activity that you do, whether it be watching a movie or playing an application or whatever it is, game as an application, whatever you're doing, see if you can learn something out of it. अगर आप एक activity में से एक चीज भी सीखते हैं, even one, you've learned something. तो ये कि जो fresh candidates हैं, देखो, not everybody is from Ivy League institutes, not everybody is from the top of the class. There will be people who will go to institutes that are average or below average. There will be people who will be at the median of the class. There will be people who will be at the bottom. इन सारों ने आगे निकल के जिंदगी में कुछ करना है. तरक्की वो करता है जो अपने आप को improve करता है. It doesn't matter, somebody did his bachelor's in like a 2.3 CGPA and had a really mediocre academic career, but then professionally aate hain and they change. Why? Because they start looking at what they can improve in themselves. शायद उस स्टेज तक वो जो अपना कंपैरिजन करते रहते, वो जी फलाने ये किया, वो अच्छा, सड़ लो, गेट कॉन्शियस, ये इसने अच्छा कर लिया तो ये कैसे हो गया, जरूर उसको ये हुआ होगा, वो हुआ होगा. लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट. वो एक स्टेज आती है शायद जिंदगी में जहां बंदा कहता है, यार हु केयर्स, मेरा किसी से कंपटीशन नहीं है, मैं अपनी स्टोरी का हीरो हूँ, लेट मी सी व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई नीड टू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एंड आई नीड टू डू इट. और जब वो ये करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली जिंदगी में कुछ चेंजेस आते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली success starts coming in. If you look at your profession, whatever it is, as your boss, you will never fail. Choose anything else as a boss and you suddenly increase the probability of failing. So if you have any questions, if you want to ask about any interview tips, techniques, resume writing, techniques, or anything else that interests you, or you'd just like to share a topic that you'd like to have a discussion on, please mention that in the comments. And I look forward to reading those comments. And maybe one of these days, once I have enough subscribers, maybe we could get together and all of us could. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching. And I hope that I am back next week with another video. And I would be happy to know what topics you would like us to talk about.